In this video, I'm going to teach you how to add David Lloyd's card to Apple Wallet. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to give you easy to follow instructions on how to properly set up and add your David Lloyd's card to a digital wallet, including the Apple Wallet. You will be able to manage the card digitally, and you can physically use your phone to gain access using your membership card. So to start, you will need the latest version of the David Lloyd's app. If you still don't use the application, you will have to download it from the Play Store, sign up to use the service digitally, and then you will have the option to access your membership card and add it to a digital wallet. So when you download the latest version of the David Lloyd app, you will be able to sign up, and after you have created your account, access your membership card. Usually there will be a section related to your membership cards, and they should already be listed. You might also get instructions on how to add them if you don't see on the list automatically. Now, all that you have to do is tap on the option to add your membership card to the Apple Wallet. The only way in which you will be able to add your digital card and use it on the digital wallet is going to be through this button. So you need to open the latest version of the app, find this button right underneath your membership card, and only then will you be able to use it. So now once you tap on Add to Apple Wallet or Add to Google Wallet if you are using an Android device, you will have access to the card digitally. Now you can physically place your phone near any sort of card reader and you will be granted access. You can manage the card at any time, you can remove it if needed, and all that you need is the latest version of the David Lloyd mobile app. With this done, you can use the card, and if you encounter any problems, it is recommended to talk to their customer support. They will be able to assist you on what to do if you cannot find the Add to Apple Wallet button. I hope I was able to help you on how to add David Lloyd card to Apple Wallet. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.